Welcome to the AI Millionaire Movement, where we don't just follow trends, we engineer them. In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, artificial intelligence is not just reshaping industries, it's redefining the way we work. One of the most exciting and emerging roles within this space is that of an AI prompt engineer. In this video, we're going to dive deep into this innovative field and show you how learning to craft effective prompts can open the door to new career opportunities, increased productivity, and even income streams you may not have thought possible. Whether you're in tech, content creation, business, or just AI curious, mastering prompts is no longer optional, it's essential. From enhancing creative writing and content generation to optimizing business automation and decision-making, prompt engineering is becoming a game-changing skill. Let's explore how you can master this skill and position yourself at the forefront of this AI revolution. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement, hit the like button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI strategies and insights. Your support allows us to keep bringing you valuable content and help you succeed in the fast-growing world of AI. First, let's get a solid understanding of what artificial intelligence is and how it's transforming our world. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence by machines that are capable of learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. Some of the main components of AI include machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. In real-world terms, AI is already changing the game in healthcare by improving diagnostics and tailoring personalized treatments. In the financial sector, it's revolutionizing fraud detection and risk assessment. From smart assistants to recommendation engines and autonomous vehicles, AI is everywhere. And with this rapid adoption comes a growing demand for skilled professionals who can not only work with AI, but also communicate with it effectively. That's where prompt engineering comes into play. So, what exactly is a prompt engineer? Simply put, it's someone who designs and refines the way we interact with AI systems by crafting instructions known as prompts that guide these systems to produce high-quality, relevant outputs. This role has quickly become critical because the performance of AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or DALL-E is only as good as the prompts they're given. A well-structured prompt can generate insightful responses, while a vague or confusing one can lead to poor results. Prompt engineers combine technical skill with creativity and communication expertise to bridge the gap between human intent and machine output. As AI tools become more advanced and widely used, the value of prompt engineering is only going to increase. To succeed as a prompt engineer, you'll need to build both technical and soft skills. On the technical side, having a foundational understanding of programming, especially in Python, can be very helpful, especially when working with APIs or testing prompts in development environments. Familiarity with AI frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Hugging Face is also beneficial, though not always mandatory. But beyond code, prompt engineers need strong analytical thinking, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of human language. The real secret sauce is your ability to think creatively and structure your prompts in ways that produce the most effective, accurate, and useful AI outputs. And because AI is constantly evolving, staying curious and committing to lifelong learning will give you a huge advantage. There are also a wide variety of tools and resources available to help you grow as a prompt engineer. Platforms like OpenAI, Google Cloud AI, and Anthropic allow you to experiment with different models and refine your prompting techniques. There are also communities and forums like Reddit's prompt engineering and Discord groups where you can connect with other AI enthusiasts, share tips, and troubleshoot together. If you're looking for formal learning, online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or even YouTube provide great training on prompt crafting, AI applications, and ethics. Don't underestimate the power of building your own prompt library that can serve as both a portfolio and a personal toolkit as you continue to grow. When it comes to creating effective prompts, a few practical tips can go a long way. Start by being clear and specific. Instead of saying, "Write something about marketing," you might say, "Write a 500-word article on how email marketing increases customer retention," with 3 real-world examples and a friendly tone. The more context and structure you give, the better your result. Don't be afraid to experiment, try different styles, tones, or lengths to see how the AI responds. Test multiple versions of your prompts and analyze the results. This kind of iterative process helps you understand the subtle ways AI interprets instructions. Over time, your prompt engineering skills will become sharper, more nuanced, and more effective. Let's look at a few real-world examples where prompt engineering is already making a huge difference. In customer service, AI chatbots powered by optimized prompts are handling support tickets faster and more accurately, leading to better customer satisfaction and lower business costs. In marketing, prompt engineers are creating targeted ad copy, sales funnels, and blog content at scale, dramatically reducing time to market for campaigns. Even in education, teachers are using AI to generate personalized lesson plans and quizzes with well-designed prompts. These success stories show just how much impact a skilled prompt engineer can have and why businesses are increasingly willing to pay for that expertise. As we look ahead, the future of AI and prompt engineering looks incredibly promising. Advancements in natural language processing, multimodal AI systems, and autonomous agents are opening up entirely new ways to interact with machines. The role of the prompt engineer will become even more important as we move from basic text generation to complex decision-making, collaborative AI, and real-time systems. Staying on top of trends, experimenting with new tools, and constantly refining your skills will be essential. This isn't just a trend, it's the new frontier of human-computer interaction. In conclusion, leveraging AI to become a prompt engineer isn't just a smart move, it's a powerful opportunity. You've learned what prompt engineering is, why it matters, the skills you'll need, and how to start building your expertise. Whether you're looking to boost your current job performance, start a new side hustle, or launch an entirely new career, prompt engineering is a high-value skill that can open doors in nearly every industry. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the AI Millionaire Movement, like the video, and share it with someone who's ready to take their AI skills to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.